By the end of third grade, there are 3 sentence types that students should be able to identify and write: simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. Initially, students begin by learning to write simple sentences. Then, students move on to writing compound sentences, connecting 2 simple sentences with a coordinating conjunction. The 4 easiest coordinating conjunctions to teach are and, but, or, and so. It is helpful to keep a list of these conjunctions posted in your classroom writing center to help students as they write these longer sentences. When teaching compound sentences, it's a good idea to introduce the comma that goes before the conjunction, even if students aren't expected to use it in their writing yet. When teaching compound sentences, help students identify the simple sentences on both sides of a conjunction by color coding or underlining both of the subjects and both of the predicates. These visual cues help students understand that the ideas on both sides of the conjunction are complete thoughts. Pay close attention as you see this teacher help her students use conjunctions to turn 2 sentences into 1.
Okay, so we're going to be looking at the sentence, and we're going to look at this sentence here. One complete idea is called an independent clause. Can you say independent clause?
Independent clause.
This is one complete thought and idea. That is a sentence, okay? And now we are going to do a compound sentence. And when we do a compound sentence, we put 2 ideas, 2 sentences together to make one bigger sentence. Now we are going to put another independent clause, and we're going to put it together to make a compound sentence.
Wait, dolphin gives birth to young.
Okay, but we have there, and then we have the word but. Think about it. Talk to your partner. How could you make this sentence even a more complete sentence? So tell me, how can I put these ideas together?
Wait,
Dolphins, read this.
Dolphins give birth to young, but
Okay, what is this? They're young. They give birth to their young. Okay, very good. Now here, this is what we're going to be talking about today. This is how we're going to talk about a coordinating conjunction. Can you say coordinating conjunction?
Coordinating conjunction.
A coordinating conjunction is a word that we use to contrast 2 ideas. So when we say the word but, it's saying that the fish, amphibians, and reptiles lay eggs, but that means that it's different. Do dolphins lay eggs?
No. Yeah.
No, dolphins, they just give birth to their young. They just give birth to their babies. So what we are going to do...
It's because we only have but.
Yeah. So the word but is a coordinating conjunction. So go ahead and come this way so that we could see how we're going to put our sentence together. So let's move this together here. Let's move these words right over here so that we could have them in order. So we know that fish, amphibians, and reptiles lay eggs. This word is so small, but it's so important because this word but is telling us that it's a different idea. It's not the same idea. It's different. It's contrasting 2 things.
But it's because it has a different idea, not the same idea.
Yeah, it's not the same idea. So it's telling us that these animals lay eggs. Dolphins don't. So we're going to use this coordinating conjunction, the word but, to contrast the idea, to say that it's something different. So what I'm going to do is to make it a bigger, more expanded sentence. I'm going to take away the period, and I'm going to put the word but here, and then I'm going to put my entire sentence together so that it's one long sentence. And we call those... We're going to call that a compound sentence. Can you say compound sentence?
Compound sentence.
So let's move our words over. Let's move the words right here. And then let's put our words here. Oh, this is our coordinating conjunction. Can you say coordinating conjunction?
Coordinating conjunction.
Very good. I want you to now go ahead and let's read. Oh, look, we took away the period, but we need to finish our sentence. Here is a period. We're going to finish off our sentence right here. Now let's see if our sentence makes sense. Are we ready? Let's see if our sentence makes sense. Can we read it together?
Yes.
Okay, but I want everybody reading the sentence. Are you ready? Let's read it.
Fish, amphibians, and reptiles
what, that comma? I know, great place for it because we need to say, when we say the word but, we're going to give it a little bit of a pause as we say it. Are we ready?
And then but
And
goes
now,
right
yeah, now we have our sentence together. Let's go ahead and put this overlap. Nice, we made a large sentence. We made a compound sentence. What kind of a sentence did we make?
compound sentence.
Okay, so now let's put this period. We're going to put it this way. It's not going to make a difference how we put it, okay? So let's read our sentence together. This word is amphibians. Say amphibians.
Amphibians.
Are we ready? I want everybody, when you read, you can't be looking up. You have to be looking at the words. Are we ready? Let's read it together.
Fish, amphibians, and reptiles lay eggs, but dolphins give birth to their young.
Awesome job putting that sentence together. You put two independent ideas. You put two separate ideas and made it into one compound sentence. What type of sentences did we work on today?
Dolphins.
Compound sentences. And we know that the word but is a what?
It's a idea that has a different idea.
Yeah, it's a coordinating conjunction. Say coordinating
Coordinating
conjunction. Excellent job.